Holly, and today on The Proper Pineapple, we are going to open up my December KnitCrate box. Super excited. But before we do that, can we talk about this shawl and how cute it is the way I'm wearing it? This is the Sanibel chevron shawl. The pattern is by Hannah from the Cozy Cottage. You should definitely check it out. If you want all the information about the pattern and my particular one and the colors I used and the yarn I used and all of that, go over to my Ravelry page. There's a link down below. Okay, back to KnitCrate because I know that's what you guys are here for. So KnitCrate is a monthly subscription for yarn. This one here is the membership box. You get 2 skeins of their house yarns every month. There's usually 4 color choices. You don't get to choose. It's a surprise. So that's the best part. It's a total surprise of what you're going to get. And it can be any weight. October's one that I got was DK. November was worsted. And this month is bulky. So I'm excited. I don't own a lot of bulky. I've got like a ton of fingering weight yarn. I've got a pretty good thing of worsted and DK. I'm sorry if the dog growling. Apparently there might be a squirrel out there or something. Whatever, guys. Let's just keep going. Okay. So they have, like I said, this is the membership box. They also have sock boxes. They have artisan sock. And they just recently started a quarterly Malabrigo box, which I'm kind of really jonesing to do because you guys know I love Malabrigo. They make like the prettiest yarn. But anyways, back to this. They're really affordable and they pretty much have something in everybody's budget. So I definitely think you guys should check it out if you're wanting to get... Bella! Sorry guys, but life at the Proper Pineapple goes on whether I'm filming or not, okay? So that's just how things roll around here. Like I was going to say, I think they have something for everybody. If you're like me and you love getting surprises, when the FedEx truck rolled up, everybody in my house, except for my husband, he was at work, got all excited. We knew what was there. KnitCrate. I definitely think you should check them out. So use the link down below to go check them out. And if you use the coupon code Pineapple20, all uppercase, you get 20% off your very first order, which is an awesome deal. So please guys, click that link down below. Go check them out if you're not already doing it. So if you're already doing KnitCrate and you haven't gotten your box yet, I got mine. No, I'm just kidding. You guys can see what I got. So if you guys watched last month's box, you'll know that there was 4 colors and I was hoping so bad to get the purple. And the least one I wanted was the brown. And of course I got the brown, but one of my wonderful pineapple people traded me. This month there was 4 color choices. Off the top of my head, I cannot remember them. I don't know why I didn't pay more attention this month. But, so I don't have a, ooh, I hope I get. I'm going to open this box and sure, I'm going to fall in love with this. I am a little interested because like I said, I don't really work with bulky very much. So maybe this will change my mind. All right, enough chitter chatter. Let's do this. All I did was cut the tape on it, guys. I'm going to open it up and point it at you guys. My husband's face looked good. Is it pretty? Is it pretty yarn? Oh, it's pretty. Look at it. And there's an enamel pin. Oh my goodness. Okay, if you're a crocheter, I'm sorry, but it's a little, let me see if I can get it up there. It's really dark. It's just a ball of yarn with 2 knitting needles. Oh, it's so cute. You guys know I love enamel pins. But all right, on to what we're here for. It's this beautiful blue and like gray. Ooh, this, okay, so now that I'm like holding it, looking at it, I'm remembering the photos I saw online, and this looks about 1 billion times better than it did online. This is so pretty. Okay, so it is their, I'm gonna say it wrong, you guys, you know me. Vitellana by KnitCrate. Let's hold that up maybe to focus on it. It doesn't like to focus, you guys. Ugh, close enough. All right, so it's their I can't say it. Vitellana Heathered Chunky in the colorway Triple Luxe. It's 100% wool. It is a chunky weight. It's 60 yards for the 100 grams. It is gorgeous. I'm going to hold this up, you guys. I really hope this will focus on it. If I block my face, it usually will. There we go. And that is a little brighter. Okay, right about there is true to color. Look at that. Man, look at the blues and the grays. It's really pretty, you guys. Look at it. I got 2 of them. And for being 100% wool, I know sometimes wools are scratchy. It's not scratchy. It's pretty nice.
I can make me something.
My husband says I can make him something. I might make him something out of this, you guys. So, and you get this adorable little inspiration book. Let me hold that up. There we go. I'm thinking this orange on the cover is one of the colors you could have got this month. And that might have been my least favorite. I don't know. Let's open it up. So in this book, you get patterns. Patterns. And let's see if we can find a good picture of the 4 colors that you could have gotten, so you guys could like get an idea. All right. It's not the best picture, but here it is in the front. Let me see. It's these ones on the bottom. This orange, green, and this one, which is, no, these are not it, because here's the blue. Okay. So it must have been the blue. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry. The blue, this orange, the green, and what's the 4th color? Maybe this purpley color, red up here? This one? Am I pointing to it? I don't know. Sorry, guys. I don't know. I didn't pay attention this month, and I should have. Oh, but there's some cute patterns for a hat. Oh, look at how cute this hat is. I can't show you, like, the written stuff, because that's not right. Look at this cute little hat. Do you think Mr. Pineapple should wear this hat? Look at how excited he is, guys. You can't tell. He's super excited. But I am very, very pleased with my KnitCrate. You guys, I'm telling you seriously, if you don't get KnitCrate, I know some people, you know, you guys are on fixed budgets and stuff, but it's so much fun every month getting like a little present to myself. I get to open it. I get surprised by what color I get. And last month is a perfect example of how great the yarn community is. I got the brown last month, which was a gorgeous brown. It just wasn't me. And one of the wonderful pineapple people reached out to me and we traded because she wanted the brown and got purple. And I got brown and wanted, or she got purple and wanted brown. And I got brown and wanted purple. So we switched. So there's really no like downside. You get a color you don't like. People love trading. I love trading stuff. Everybody else here? Yeah, see? They're all raising their hands. Take my word for it. Anyways, but I'm not trading this. This one's mine. Well, this one's Mr. Pineapple's. You guys will make him a big hat, right? Out of this chunky. Okay, one more look at the chunky. There we go. I love the grays and the blues. I am super pleasantly surprised because I'm, like I said, I don't do chunky very much. So I was kind of like, chunky yarn. But this is so pretty. You guys, I love KnitCrate. And you will too. So go check them out. Use my link down below. And please use the coupon Pineapple20, all capital letters, to get 20% off. Who doesn't want 20% off? I want 20% off everything. I want like 50% off of everything. But we'll take 20. Okay, I gotta get out of here because now I need to get on Ravelry. Start looking up men's chunky hat patterns. Maybe I'll make them big chunky socks. That might be a bit too much. He has a very big foot, so that would be ridiculous. But please, go check them out, you guys. You'll love them as much as I do. I'm sure you will. But I gotta get out of here. And I hope you guys are all checking out the Christmas giveaways that's going on. If you're not, go check them out. Right now. That's the end of the video. Go away. Go check them out. Bye.